Hi, I'm Miles of Solar Tops here with another FAQ video. Today's topic is steps in the installation process. What is the next step after I sign up? Typically within 1 to 2 days of deciding to go solar with us, we come to your property and conduct an in-person site survey to gather the information that satellite images just can't show us. During the survey, we do the following. Gather photos and measurements of the areas we are going to install your system so that our engineers know what they're working with. Make sure your electrical panel and its surrounding area are suitable for installation, and get up on your roof to make sure it's in good condition to get a sense of any shading or obstructions that could impact production. The more we know ahead of time, the fewer chances for a delay. What happens after the site survey? The survey team provides your site's details to our engineers for preliminary review. This process takes about 1 to 2 days after the site survey and helps us make sure we address any area concern up front. We want your installation to meet all codes and pass required inspections without any issue. We provide a preliminary design of how the system components will be installed on your home and send it to you for your approval prior to beginning the permitting process. What about the permitting process or my HOA? We handle all of it. Once you approve the preliminary design, our engineering team begins immediately working on the blueprints needed for permitting. These are typically completed within 2 to 3 days, and the necessary documentation is sent to the city or the HOA as necessary. Approval from these organizations can take anywhere between 2 to 3 hours or weeks, but we are following up with them constantly to expedite your paperwork through their process. Once we receive permit approval, our scheduling team reaches out to you to get your installation on the calendar. How long after my system is installed can I begin using it? You can begin using your system once it passes the relevant inspections by the city, the utility switches out your electrical meter, and we get the go-ahead, known as a permission to operate, to turn your system on, commonly known as commissioning. All in all, this process can take anywhere between 2 to 4 weeks, maybe a little longer if there's a backlog, but we always are working closely with the different organizations to make sure your project is approved without delay. When will the pest barrier be installed? If your system has the pest barrier option included, it is typically installed about 1 to 2 weeks after your system has been operational. This is done so we can give your system time to produce energy and provide us with the data that is operating as intended. Once some basic system metrics are met, we coordinate our pest barrier team to complete their installation on your system. That's another edition of Solar FAQs. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more, visit our website, call, text, or email us, and be sure to subscribe for more answers to your frequently asked questions.